All right, if you're at the market to get new microphone for your video and you're on a very tight budget, this should be an option for you to consider. This is a very cheap microphone you can get right now, and it's good. The quality is super good. Without much talk, let's jump into the video. First off, let's check what is in the box.
First off, this is the box of the microphone. Nothing much here, just some description and picture. When we open it up, we got the microphone itself at the top. We also have paperwork that is written in English and in Chinese. Just tell you how to set up the microphone. And next off, we have this small little stuff here. And we have this casing that includes the USB Type C to Type A, which is used for charging the microphone. It's good by adding a USB to it. And also coming back to the microphone itself, inside the nylon, we still have some adapter, iPhones to USB Type C adapter and USB Type C adapter to Android cable adapter. And open it up, we have the two microphone receiver. That's just what is inside the case of the microphone. The receiver fitting well inside the case.
Talking about the design category will be split into two parts. First, the case and the microphone itself. Let's talk about the case first. The case is made out of plastic, which is premium and smooth in your hand. It does not look cheap at all whenever you hold it. It feels like a expensive smart microphone in your hand. It does not feel cheap at all. And it's closed firmly whenever you put your microphone and the receiver inside it. It closes firmly. At the bottom, we have the Type-C port for charging and a little bit of OER. I don't know what is this for. And when you open it, you have two slots for your microphone and one slot for the receiver. That's just it about the case. The case feels premium and it is very much well built. Now let's talk about the design of the microphone itself. The microphone itself is made out of plastic and the clip at the back is made out of iron. At the side, we have a Type-C port and at the bottom, we have two pin charging slots whenever you put it in case so that it will charge your microphones. And at the other side, we have a power button. Then at the front, we have some indicators LED lights here that shows you whenever your smart microphone is on or off, and some other specification I'm going to be telling you later in the video. I know you'll be wondering how much do I get this microphone? Now let's just talk about the price. I got this around 26,000 naira in Nigeria. I got it in a local store near me, which is around 15 to $16 if I'm not mistaken. And it is very, very cheap. Talk about some amazing specifications and features that come with this microphone. First off, you can charge it two ways, either by putting it in the case or charging it directly via the Type-C port that comes beside the microphone. Secondly, it can record 360 audio and it is almost instant. It captures your audio instantly, no any delay in your audio recording stuff. And also it comes in different mode. It can turn on noise cancellation mode and normal mode on this microphone, and also you can choose to mute your microphone and do other stuff using the power button. When you press the power button once, it turns on the microphone. When you press it twice, it mutes it, and when you press it one more time, it changes to noise reduction mode, which is very, very good. Although I'm not using the noise reduction mode feature right now.
And for the receiver is also plastic and is a USB Type C port where you can connect to your phone to record. And it has this little light here that turn on whenever you are connected. Setting up the microphone to record is very easy. First off, I have to connect the receiver to the phone and just turn on the microphone through the power button beside it. It's very easy. And when it's connected, the receiver stopped blinking, the green light got stable. Before it was connected, the green light was blinking, but when it was connected, the green light got stable on the receiver. That does it. And on the microphone, it will show you a green light. When you press it once, it will show to blue light, which means noise cancellation mode. And when you press 3 times, it mutes your microphone. When you press it 3 more times, you have to change to different mode of the microphones. We have some other mode you can still change to depending on your preference and what you are using the microphone for. The microphone is very good. The connection is superb smooth and steady. No any form of lagging, no any form of cancelling whenever it's connected. Just connect once and start using.
Here are the pros of getting this microphone. First off is the price. It's very cheap. You can just get it around $15 or $16, depending on your location. Secondly, you get to have two microphones coming with it, which is very good for podcast and interviews. Very perfect. Thirdly, this microphone charges at super fast speed. You can get it to charge from 0% to 100% within 5 minutes, and it will last you almost for all day. And fourth place, this microphone is very durable. It's made out of good plastic, good materials, which is very good. The only downside I see about getting this microphone is that it doesn't give you the best audio quality unlike some other expensive microphones. But for its price, it still get the work done for you. Even on a tight budget, this is a very good option for you to go for. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and watch out for my next video.